Before the opening bell, U.S. indices mixed on Friday. Shares in the banks, semiconductor and semiconductor equipment, and diversified financial sectors all trading higher, while shares in the utilities, real estate, and household and personal products under pressure. Non-farm payrolls jumping to 271,000 in October from a revised 137,000 in September, and the U.S. unemployment rate falling to 5% in October from 5.1% in September, in line with expectations. Meanwhile, decliners just ahead of advancers, 56% of SP 500 constituents trading lower Friday. Now, after the market closed, Berkshire Hathaway posting a third quarter EPS of $5,737 versus $2,811 1 year ago. Also, Weyerhaeuser agreeing to buy Plum Creek in an all-stock transaction. Plum Creek shareholders receiving 1.6 shares of Weyerhaeuser for each share of Plum Creek held, and GE agreeing to sell GE Capital's commercial lending and leasing portfolios in both Australia and New Zealand to Sankati Advisors. The transaction includes about $1.7 billion and ending net investment. Now, the terms of that transaction not disclosed. Keeping overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up just under 2%, the Hang Seng down 0.61%, and South Korea's Kospi down about 0.75%. European markets are mostly lower, and U.S. futures calling for a soft opening. Earnings release is expected today. Affiliated Managers Group third quarter EPS seen at $2.87. Priceline third quarter EPS seen at $24.19 on sales of approximately $3.1 billion. And on the economic data front, there are no major reports to be released. Now, regarding the trend on indices, Trading Central says the SP 500 sees its key resistance at 2100. The relative strength index mixed to bearish, so as long as 2100 is the resistance, look for choppy price action with a bearish bias. Short positions below 2100 are favored, with targets at 2077 and 2073 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, seeing choppy trade, preferring short positions below 4,729, and the Dow Jones seeing its key resistance at 17,905, preferring short positions below 17,905.